Good morning and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a very special boat. This is a Continental 250 by Crest, so this is going to be the top of the line in terms of amenities and comfort. You'll see throughout they've upgraded the bolsters, giving you nice deep seats and giving you a nice little channel to keep your butts in the seat. I've gone with fiberglass all throughout, upgraded clips audio system, USB chargers, cup holders. This boat's going to have it all. Ski locker's nice and deep and does have a bilge pump, so if any water does get in it, you don't have to sit there and siphon it out yourself. Another great thing that Continental has that none of the other models do is the wraparound glass windshield. Because of the windshield and this bimini top, you do get a canvas enclosure package. So anything within your windshield and back of the boat will have isinglass that goes up or that clear hard plastic so that you can be insulated from the rain, water, and all of your external factors. Dash on this one is going to be upgraded to give you plenty of amenities and luxury. You got all of your systems being run through the 7-inch Garmin, interior lighting package, and even a remote control to control the boat, your bilge pump, your lights, and your radio. This boat is going to have plenty of space for you and 13 people to sit on with your L shape in the back. This is a hydraulically actuated backrest, so you can have it stop in any position from here all the way to flat and give you that sun pad. On the back, we have equipped this one with a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. This is going to be a nice V8, no superchargers, any of that, so it's nice clean power and nice and quiet. Right around that is the stainless steel tow bar to give you any of your towing needs and your 4-step telescoping ladder. This boat is available here at MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. We'd love to get you out on the water on this boat, so if it's what you're looking for, give us a call.